Parts of a plant cell and their functions. SHS 1. General Science, Biology. Syllabus.
Core Biology Curriculum, Cell Structure and Function Lesson. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to identify and label the parts of a typical plant cell, state the functions of each part, differentiate between plant and animal cells. Introduction. When you pluck a leaf from a plant, do you know that inside that leaf are millions of tiny living units called cells? These cells are what keep the plant alive and functioning. Today, we are going to explore what's inside a plant cell and the job each part does. What is a plant cell? A plant cell is the basic structural and functional unit of a plant. It is eukaryotic, meaning it has a well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Key parts of a plant cell include cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, chloroplast, vacuole, mitochondrion, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. Functions of each part. Cell wall made of cellulose gives shape, protection, and support to the plant cell. Membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. Selectively permeable nucleus controls all cell activities. Contains genetic material, DNA. Cytoplasm, jelly-like substance where chemical reactions occur. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll, site of photosynthesis. Vacuole stores water, nutrients, and waste. Helps maintain turgidity. Mitochondrion, site of energy production, respiration. Known as the powerhouse of the cell. Ribosomes help in making proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. Transports materials around the cell, smooth ER for lipids, rough ER for proteins. Golgi apparatus packages and modifies proteins for use or transport. Comparison. Plant cell versus animal cell. Feature plant cell, animal cell. 1. Cell wall is present in plant cells but absent in animal cells. 2. Chloroplast is present in plant cells but not in animal cells. 3. Vacuole is large and central in plant cells but small and scattered in animal cells. 4. Plants. Cells are usually rectangular in shape whilst animal cells are usually round. Try your hands on these assessment questions to test your understanding. Assessment questions. 1. Name any 4 parts of a plant cell and write one function for each. 2. Why is the nucleus important to the cell? 3. Which part of the cell helps in making food through photosynthesis? 4th. State 2 differences between plant and animal cells. Homework. Draw and label a plant cell neatly in your science notebook. Write the function of each part beside your diagram. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your classmates and colleagues.